for your time.
Of course.
Yes. I just thank you for just because I'm so glad to your time because you wanna listen us. And the first the first topic we wanna talking is about language.
Okay.
About language. In Lombok, the traditional language is called Sasak language. Of course, Sasak language. And the Sasak language has mineral regional dialects. Like the example, maybe you can say how are you? But in Sasak, we can say berembe kabar. Berembe kabar. Like how do you? And the answer is like I'm healthy and I'm fine or I'm good.
Yeah.
But in Sasak, you can answer berembe kabar like sehat like that. And then what else? So many our language we can explain one by one.
So the same things to say, you have a lot of different ways to say.
Yes.
Yeah, there are even different dialects depending on the middle in Lombok, like Sasak, Gado-Gede, and so on.
Okay.
And then in Sasak also language is not just for a topic, but our language is for so our program. Like
Yes.
like in Berembe Kabar, which is from middle Lombok. But in West Lombok you can say Berembe Kabar ada different dialect. Like Nabila said just now, language also can show our politeness and age hierarchy too.
Okay, so if someone is older than you, you speak differently too.
Yes,
Okay.
formal and informal like that.
Yeah.
And the second materi is about what? Maling pengantin. Maling pengantin. Maling pengantin. Do you know maling pengantin?
I don't know. Sorry? Ah, okay.
Maybe have you see in the road, maybe there are people smoke.
Ah, with the music and the
Yeah. Before you married, you must what name? Take the girl
Uh-huh.
without not nobody people know. Like that.
Okay.
Silent. Wait.
Silent, okay.
It's more symbolic now. It's so that couple each other willingly, and it's part of local romantic stories.
Okay. Okay, so you have these ceremonies that are on the streets. Are they before or after the wedding?
Before.
Okay. It's like a walk towards the wedding.
Yeah,
And they show off the bride.
yeah.
Okay.
It is actually a traditional elopement ceremony practiced by the Sasak people.
Like the prospective husband kidnaps the bride, then takes her to his house, and then the two families discuss the marriage.
Okay. Yeah.
In this context, kidnapping refers to romantic tale of love in the Sasak tradition.
The third materi is what? Who is third materi? Accommodation. Okay, Sasak clothing is beautiful and full of meaning. Of course, that it's called lambung and pegon. Lambung for girls and pegon for boys.
This is a traditional clothes.
Yes, traditional clothes. But this lambung for girls. Like this.
Ah.
What about the fashion? For the woman, the traditional outfit is called lambung. Usually made of a black fabric with the golden essence paired with a sarung or songket. You know songket? Yes. Made from a tenunan.
Yeah.
Handmade. And for men, it's a pegon or saku. They wear a woven scarf and a long sleeve skirt with sarung also. And yes, the traditional Sasak traditional Sasak clothes still used today. But our clothes used when weddings or what traditional ceremonies and cultural events.
Special occasions.
Yes,
Yeah.
special
When you
events.
see a bride on the road walking
Yes.
with music, that is used a traditional. But
Yes.
the traditional Lombok like lambung, and there is also like kebaya, but not a literally Lombok traditional.
The design also represents status and family background. For example, that some patterns are only worn by certain clans.
By certain what?
Clans.
By like clans, by families, by like.
Yes.
Nowadays we even mix traditional style with modern fashion. So you might see young people in traditional clothes but with sneakers.
Okay, so they make it a bit more modern for themselves.
And the next topic is about food. Traditional food.
Yes, our what do you think?
We move on to my favorite topic.
Okay, good. Mine too.
Maybe I will ask you because have you tried the Lombok traditional food?
I don't know if it's traditional Lombok, but my favorite is rendang.
Rendang is not
Very
Sasak.
no, it's very Indonesian.
Rendang is Padang traditional.
Rendang is
Ayam
Indonesia.
Palewang.
So what is like actual traditional
Traditional
Lombok food?
Traditional food. There are many traditional food in Lombok, but there are two my top one traditional Lombok like it's called ares.
Yes,
And
ares.
kucing kangkung.
You have to try that next.
I need to. So what is it?
Nah, ares.
Ares is a unique unique dish made from young banana stem and
Coconut milk.
cooked with coconut milk and spicy.
Kucing kangkung also is too spicy. Maybe so you like spicy or not? Nah, I believe you will like this kucing kangkung. We talk about food culture first, and then we go to the next topic. What? Presean.
Maybe you have to know, Miss.
What is desea?
Presean. That is traditional Lombok.
Okay.
Presean.
Okay, I'll introduce you to Presean, a traditional national art from Lombok.
Okay.
That's full of insight. Presean is like two men. Two men is they are a fighter. They're fighter. They're fighter. But the fighter is not for maybe when you look this ceremony, you will think, what for the ceremony is make a painful. But it's not just make a painful only. It's just like I said before, that is our culture, and then it means
Is it
I
like a
forget
dance
what I said.
also?
Not dance, but like fight.
Uh-huh.
Fight like this.
Fighting.
Okay.
Maybe you have seen in Kuta.
Yeah.
Oh, every January, every February. Usually, Presean is in festival Bau Nyale. Do you know Bau Nyale?
Nyale is warm,
Okay.
sea warm.
Oh,
Later there is a topic about Bau Nyale. But after this,
out here.
okay. This is so many about Sasak.
This tradition shows masculinity and bravery. But don't worry, it's not about header. The fight is waged by a referee called the Pekembar. And there's a traditional music playing between when the shows like that.
And they're fighting?
Yes, I think there's a music like maybe you must.
Next on February, Miss, you can back in
Okay.
Lombok.
Do you wanna see the video?
Yes.
Maybe you will shock because the man.
Nah, Presean is just for a man, miss, not for a girl.
Yes, for men only.
So, inclusive.
Example.